Hey everyone! Welcome back to Lingua Talk, the place where learning English is super easy and totally fun. I'm Maya, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Andro. Hello, Maya, and hello to all our amazing listeners. Every time we sit down for a new episode, I get so excited because it means another fun way to make English part of your life.
Exactly! And today's topic? It's something you use every single day. Literally.
Oh, you mean like coffee?
Close! But even more important than coffee, talking about your day. Think about it. When you meet someone new,
phrase that
one
makes
of
your
the
daily
first
routine
questions they
sound
ask
10
is,
times
how
more
was your
natural.
day? Or
We'll tell you what it is
do you
at the
usually
end of the
do?
episode, so stay
Right,
with
and
us.
if you can answer naturally and confidently, it's like magic. People instantly feel comfortable with you.
Exactly. But here's the problem. Most English learners freeze when someone asks that question. They think, I wake up, eat, sleep?
Exactly. You know what, Maya? I once had a student who told me, Andro, I can write in English, but I can't describe my day without using the same three verbs. Wake up, eat, sleep.
I love that story because today we're going to fix that once and for all.
Yes, by the end of this episode, you'll be able to describe your daily routine like a native speaker, clearly, confidently, and with natural expressions that people actually use.
And there's one tiny phrase that makes your daily routine sound 10 times more natural. We'll tell you what it is at the end of the episode. So stay with us.
Before we dive in, can I just share something amazing?
Of course.
Our listener, Lena from Brazil, commented on our last episode saying, after practicing with you guys, I finally talked about my morning routine with my English teacher without stopping even once.
Wow. Lena, that's awesome. If you're listening, we're super proud of you. And for everyone else, you can do that too.
Exactly. That's why we love what we do here on LinguaTalk, to make English part of your real life. So, Andro, how's your day going so far?
Pretty good. I woke up early, had my coffee, took a walk, and prepared this lesson with you. What about you?
Same, except I didn't wake up early, but I had 2 cups of coffee, so that counts, right?
It does. And see, we're already talking about our day.
And that's exactly what you will learn to do today. Talk about your day naturally, easily, and confidently, step by step. But before we jump in, we have one small favor to ask you.
If you enjoy learning English in this fun, relaxed way with real conversations and zero stress, please take a second to subscribe to our channel and like this video.
Yes, your like and subscribe are more than just buttons. They're our energy. When you click them, you tell us, hey, Maya and Andro, I'm part of this journey with you.
And it really motivates us to create more lessons like this so you can keep improving every single week.
So go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now, and let's make learning English the best part of your day. All right, ready to dive into real-life English?
Let's go! Coming up, easy and natural ways to talk about your morning routine.
And remember, that tiny phrase that makes your daily routine sound supernatural, we'll reveal it later, so stay with us till the end.
All right, everyone, welcome back. Let's start with the first part of your day, the morning routine.
Yes, and we'll go step by step, from the moment you wake up until you're ready to start your day. Easy phrases, natural expressions, and a few pronunciation tips along the way.
So let's imagine it's early morning. The alarm rings. You open your eyes, and what do you say, Maya?
5 more minutes.
Yes, I think we all say that. But in English, the first phrase is, I wake up at 7 a.m. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Great. Now, here's a tip. Wake up means you open your eyes, but get up means you leave the bed.
So first you wake up, then you get up. Sometimes after 20 minutes.
Exactly. Let's repeat both. I wake up at 7. I get up at 7:30.
Perfect. Now what's next? You go to the bathroom, and you can say, I wash my face, I brush my teeth.
Let's add one more. I take a shower. Repeat after me. I take a shower every morning.
I take a shower every morning.
And if you're like Maya, you probably sing in the shower too.
Always. It's my secret English practice time.
See? That's actually a great trick. Practice English while you do your daily routine. Say what you're doing out loud. For example, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making coffee.
Yes, you can talk to yourself. It helps you think in English. Okay, time for your first mini challenge. We'll say a few morning routine phrases. Your job is to repeat them out loud with us. Ready?
Let's go.
I wake up at 7.
I get up at 7:30.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I have breakfast.
I go to work.
Awesome job. Even if you're saying this quietly to yourself, that's how your brain starts building English habits.
And let's learn a few more words that make your sentences sound natural.
Yes, instead of always saying, I eat breakfast, try, I grab a quick breakfast when you don't have much time.
Or I make myself some coffee. Repeat. I make myself some coffee.
Or, for coffee lovers like me, I can't start my day without coffee.
That's a great one. Another nice phrase is, I get ready for work. It means you prepare yourself. Maybe you dress up, fix your hair, and so on.
Right. So you can say, I get ready for school. I get ready for work. Let's use these phrases in a small, natural conversation.
Maya, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7, but I get up around 7:30.
Nice. What do you do next?
I brush my teeth, take a shower, and make myself some coffee. Then I have breakfast and get ready for work.
Perfect example. Simple sentences, clear order, and natural flow.
And here's a tip. To describe your daily routine, always use the present simple tense. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I go to work. Because these are things you do every day.
Yes, present simple equals habits, routines, daily actions.
So far, you've learned 6 everyday actions. Wake up, get up, brush, shower, eat, and go. That's your first victory today.
And every small win like this gives your brain a dopamine boost. It makes you want to keep going.
So keep that energy, because next we'll move to the afternoon and evening part of your day. You'll learn how to connect your sentences smoothly, like after lunch, when I get home,
And remember that tiny phrase we mentioned earlier? The one that makes your routine sound supernatural?
Oh yes, we'll reveal it later. Stay with us. All right, you're doing amazing so far. We've covered the morning routine. Now it's time for the afternoon and evening.
Yes, because your day doesn't stop after breakfast, right? Let's see what happens next.
After you finish your morning tasks, you can say, I go to work. I go to school. I start my classes.
And in the afternoon, we often say, I have lunch at noon. I take a short break. I check my emails.
Yes, and here's one that's super useful.
I meet my friends for lunch. That's a great phrase to sound natural, to meet someone for lunch.
Or if you want to say you rest a little, you can say, I take a nap. That's short sleep during the day, a nap.
Yes, my favorite word, nap.
Now, let's learn some words to connect your sentences. They make your English sound smooth and fluent.
Exactly. We call them sequence words. For example, first, I wake up. Then, I brush my teeth. After that, I go to work. Finally, I go to bed. Let's practice together. Repeat after us slowly. First,
Then,
after that.
finally.
Nice. Now let's use them in a full mini paragraph.
First, I wake up and take a shower. Then, I have breakfast. After that, I go to work. Finally, I come home and relax.
Now it's your turn. Say it with us. Ready? Together, slow and clear. First, I wake up and take a shower. Then, I have breakfast. After that, I go to work. Finally, I come home and relax. Perfect! You just built your first full daily routine paragraph.
Now, let's move to the evening, the best part of the day for many people.
Yes, when you can finally relax. So, here are some useful phrases. I get home at 6. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I spend time with my family.
And don't forget these. I do the dishes. I take a shower. Again. I go to bed at 10.
Here's a fun one. I scroll on my phone for a while. That means you look at your phone without a real purpose.
Yeah, we all do that. But it's good vocabulary to describe your real day.
Let's create a short conversation about an evening routine. You can shadow it. That means repeat with us.
Maya, what do you usually do after work?
After work, I get home around 6. I cook dinner, eat with my family, and then relax.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I usually watch a movie or a series before bed.
Nice. And what time do you go to sleep?
Around 11, I tried to sleep early, but sometimes I scroll on my phone for too long.
That's relatable for everyone, I think.
See how easy it is? You just connect small actions, and suddenly you can talk about your whole day.
All right, now it's your turn. Let's play a short game. Can you describe your day in 3 or 4 sentences?
You can start with, I wake up at, then, I, after that, I, finally, I.
We'll give you 5 seconds to think about it and say it out loud right now.
Great! Even if it's not perfect, you did it. That's how you build speaking confidence, by actually speaking.
All right, remember that tiny phrase we promised earlier?
Oh yes, the one that makes your daily routine sound supernatural.
It's and then.
Exactly. Instead of stopping your sentences, connect them with and then. Listen, I wake up at 7 and then I take a shower. I have breakfast and then I go to work.
See? It sounds natural, smooth, and fluent like a native speaker.
So next time someone asks you, what's your day like? Use and then to tell your story step by step. You've now learned all the key vocabulary to describe your full day, morning, afternoon, and evening. That's a huge achievement.
Yes, you've just built the foundation of everyday conversation in English. That's what we call a real-life victory.
And we're not done yet. In our next part, we'll review everything you learned, give you a fun,
comment challenge, and share a special message from us to you.
So don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
All right, everyone, welcome back. You did it. You just learned how to describe your whole day in English, from morning to night.
Yes, and that's a big step. Talking about your daily routine is one of the most important skills in everyday English conversations.
Let's quickly review what you learned today so you can remember it easily. Morning, I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I have breakfast.
Afternoon, I go to work. I have lunch. I take a nap. I meet my friends.
Evening, I get home. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed.
And remember, connect your sentences using words like first, then, after that, finally, and of course the magic phrase, and then.
That's right. I wake up at 7 and then I take a shower. So natural, so fluent. Now it's your turn to practice. In the comments below, tell us about your daily routine in 3 or 4 sentences.
You can start like this. I wake up at 7 and then I have breakfast. After that, I go to work and study English. Keep it simple and use the words we practiced today.
We read every single comment, really, and we love seeing your progress. Your comments also help other learners feel part of this amazing community. Before we go, I want to say something important. The fact that you're here, learning, repeating, and practicing means you care about your growth. That's something special.
Yes, learning a new language isn't easy, but every small step you take brings you closer to confidence and freedom. And we're so proud of you for being part of LinguaTalk.
If you enjoyed this lesson, show us your support. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next episode. It really means the world to us and helps us keep creating these fun, easy lessons for you.
And if you want to take your English even further, don't stop here. Right after this video, check out our next lesson, How to Start Any English Conversation, the first 10 seconds that matter.
Yes, that episode will show you exactly how to start a chat confidently, whether you're meeting a friend, a classmate, or someone new.
You'll love it. It connects perfectly with today's topic.
All right, beautiful learners. Thank you for spending this time with us today.
We absolutely love being part of your English journey, and we'll be back very soon with another exciting topic.
Until then, keep smiling, keep practicing, and remember,
You can do
this.
Take care, everyone, and see you in the next episode of Lingua Talk.